How to clear YouTube watch and search history on TV. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can clear YouTube's watch as well as also search history on TV, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to clear YouTube's watch and search history on TV, it's actually quite simple to do so, because all you have to do is just go ahead and then make sure to launch the YouTube application here. Once you launch the YouTube app, you're going to be able to set this type of interface where you want to make sure that you're signed in. In order to clear your watch as well as search history, on the left hand side you simply want to actually scroll down over here to settings, and once you go to settings over here, if you keep scrolling over here, you can see history and data. You have clear watch history and you also have clear search history. So you can click on clear watch history on the right hand side, click on the clear option. Similarly, you can go to clear search history on the right hand side, click on the clear search history option, and both your watch history as well as also your search history will get successfully cleared. Once you reload the app, you'll be able to see the changes. This way you'll be able to clear YouTube search and watch history. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.